Hello and welcome to today's lesson on urban heat islands. In this short lesson, we'll explore why cities tend to be warmer than rural areas, what causes this phenomenon, and what we can do about it. Let's start with what you'll be able to do by the end of this lesson. You will understand what urban heat islands are, what causes them, the effects they have, and some of the solutions. Urban heat island, or UHI, is a part of a city that is noticeably warmer than the nearby rural areas. This heat difference is mainly caused by how cities are built and used. Welcome back, learners. Now let's test your understanding with a short quiz on urban heat islands. Question 1. An urban heat island is A. A tropical island near the city. B. A city area warmer than its surroundings due to human activity. C. A park with lots of trees and lakes. D. A natural desert outside the city. Question 2. Why are city centers usually warmer than rural areas? Question 3. Which factor mainly explains the island part of UHI concept? A. Cities are surrounded by oceans. B. Cities trap heat and stand out from cooler surroundings. C. Cities have more factories. D. Cities are smaller than rural areas. There are several causes of urban heat island. First, materials like concrete and asphalt do absorb heat. Secondly, cities produce heat through cars, air conditioners, and factories. Thirdly, trees are often removed, which means there's less shade and less cooling. Finally, pollution can trap heat near the surface. Is number 2, causes of urban heat islands. Now let's look at what causes urban heat islands. Question 1. Which of these surfaces trap the most heat? A. Tar roads and concrete. B. Grasslands. C. Lakes and rivers. D. Wooden houses. Question 2. Name 2 human activities that add extra heat to the cities. Question 3. Air pollution makes UHI worse because A. It cools the air. B. It blocks sunlight. C. It traps heat like a blanket. D. It makes more wind. Here is the visual example. On the left, you will see a green open space. On the right, you will see a dense urban area. Notice the temperature difference caused by the surface and the structure of the environment. They are not similar. Not only does urban heat island make cities hot, it also affects people's health, increase electricity use, and make life hard, especially for low-income communities. Quiz number 3. Effects on urban heat islands. Now let's check what effects urban heat islands have. Question 1. What happens to electricity use in UHI areas? A. It decreases. B. It stays the same. C. It increases due to cooling systems. D. It disappears. Question 2. Give one health risk linked to UHI. Question 3. Why are low-income areas more affected by urban heat island? A. They are closer to the sun. B. They often lack green spaces and cooling system. C. They have too many parks. D. They are small. Remember, you are only given 30 seconds to answer these quizzes. Here's an example from Johannesburg. City centers often show much higher temperatures than surrounding areas, especially in heavily built-up zones. Luckily, there are solutions to urban heat island. Planting more trees helps to cool the air. Green roofs and reflective materials reduce the heat absorption. Good city planning allows the air to move more freely around the city. Quiz number 4. How to reduce urban heat islands. Finally, let's see how we can reduce urban heat island. Question 1. Which solution uses plants to cool the environment? A. Green roofs and walls. B. Reflective glass. C. Light-colored asphalt. D. Air conditioners. Question 2. Why is planting trees important for reducing urban heat island? Question 3. Why are reflective building materials useful? A. They keep buildings darker. B. They absorb more heat. C. They reflect sunlight and reduce heat absorption. D. They look modern. To sum it up, urban heat islands are created by our cities and buildings, and they affect us in big ways.